Hey guys, how's it going? It's Brendan here from Hyped on Crypto. I hope all of you guys are having a good morning, evening, wherever you guys are from. And yesterday, the largest ETF in Europe announced that they're going to begin trading cryptocurrency. So we're going to be going through and explaining what this means, as well as how this can affect the cryptocurrency market moving forward, as we do get a taste of institutional money coming in. So if you guys are interested, go and stick around for the video, and do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, as it does help out the channel a lot. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into today's video. So if you guys have been following me at all, you guys would know that I've been talking about how we need to see both institutional money coming into the market as well as Europe coming on board with the market. Now, we've seen a lot of support from North America, Asia, and with Australia, but where we've been lacking is from Europe especially. A lot of their countries are either all the way for cryptocurrency or they are all the way against cryptocurrencies. You know, a great example of this would be Switzerland is all for cryptocurrencies and they want to make it the moon, and then other countries are kind of on the polar opposite of the spectrum here. But what we have is we have the largest ETF, or the largest exchange traded fund, coming on board with cryptocurrencies, seeing the capabilities and the potential that it has to offer, and helping Europe see it through those lenses as well. Now, this is located in Amsterdam, and they specialize in high-speed trading. Now, this is unique because, as you guys know, the cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile. So what this does is this sets them up with a the perfect market to make and help their traders invest their money. Now, they're going to be doing this uniquely and strategically because they're going to be working with ones that are classified as, I guess, securities, and ones that are approved through the, I believe it's the European Union, and they're going to be using those ones first and then working their way once trust begins to get built up and working their way down the list. So, it's not disclosed what cryptocurrencies they're going to be using yet, but it has been noted that this company especially have been stocking up on their cryptocurrency holdings in the last couple of months here. So Flow NV has definitely been preparing themselves for something to happen. It's just a matter of what they are going to do. Now, again, they are the largest ETF in Europe, with having over $284 billion in the last quarter of the 2018 year. Now, what this is not saying is that all $284 billion are going to come into cryptocurrency. That'd be silly to think. They work primarily with stocks, but with opening themselves up to the cryptocurrency market, being a high-speed trading specialist, this is the perfect market for them. So one, I think this is going to grow their sales, definitely break them over $300 billion probably for whenever they start these sales. But what this is also going to do is allow a portion of that to go through cryptocurrency, because if they are trying to do high-speed trading, cryptocurrency is probably the best market for that right now, just because of its volatility, and being able to short that with whatever leverage you want, or just being able to trade that normally with so many different options, it really does make their job a whole lot easier. Now, they talk about how this is definitely institutional money coming in, and although it's not all $284 billion coming from the single company, what this does is it sets the standard, and kind of helps tilt the tide for Europe. Now, we're starting to see more bullish news come out for Europe, and saying that they are beginning to support cryptocurrencies more than oppose it. If you guys remember any of 2017, especially the late part of that, we saw a lot of negative news coming out from some of these major European countries. But what we're starting to see here between Switzerland, I believe the other one was Turkey, and now we're seeing it from Amsterdam, is just all sorts of bullish news coming out, and institutions starting to invest in cryptocurrencies and back it, so that regulators and governments will not be nearly as harsh as they have been before. We're starting to see this break away, and I think one of the best things that the governments have done is that they have separated ICOs from cryptocurrencies, because I've talked about a long time ago about how that is going to be a problem, and until we get that changed, we're going to have a lot of people misconceptualize about cryptocurrencies. And what we're doing is, as people are differentiating ICOs from cryptocurrencies, we are seeing this growth and support for the technology and the fundamentals behind cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, instead of just seeing this as a hacker scammy thing. And so, with that being said, there's only so much to talk about here, but this is just an overwhelming support that I did not expect to see in the news today, but something that is very relieving with that. the fact that an ETF, the largest ETF in Europe, is willing to support and vouch and work and help, you know, regulators look at cryptocurrency a different way is unbelievable. So personally, I believe this is going to work wonders for Europe. It's not going to be something that happens overnight. It's not going to be something that is just a game changer overall. But what this does is it's a door opener. It's a door opener, and as long as they do a good job here, I think this is going to be the first of many for Europe. And this is going to be the, I don't want to say an avalanche effect necessarily, but this is going to be, you know, the beginning of cryptocurrency starting to become more mainstream in Europe. And this is how you do it. You start with someone that, you know, can get credibility, and you get them to use their platform and use it well. It's going to be a gradual process. Again, cryptocurrency is still in its infancy, but what this does is it opens doors. It gives us an opportunity to show that we are more than just what the news says, as we are a volatile market. We are just a bubble. You know, this is just a space for hackers and frauds and people who want to do anonymous exchanges for very bad things. We are more than that. And looking through the cryptocurrencies and the fundamentals behind them, and, you know, giving us an opportunity to present all of those. So let me know what you guys think about this, as this is definitely going to be institutional money coming into the market. Whether this is going to affect, you know, North America markets or Asian markets, we're gonna have to find out here, but this will significantly affect cryptocurrencies, you know, specializing in Europe as we are moving forward. So again, no release date as to when they are going to start using cryptocurrencies. I think that's good, because that could cause a little bit of market manipulation, although I'm sure if you dig around deep enough, you could probably find something on it. So let me know what you guys think about this, whether you guys think this is truly going to make a difference or an impact on the market. If you guys do, let me know in the comment section below, and maybe if you guys are kind of fishy about this, also let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to comment down there a lot with you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Once again, guys, if you did enjoy the video, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, because it does help out the channel a lot. But until then, guys, I will see you guys in the next video, and stay hyped.